Hi, I'm creating this video to give you a demo of a module that I built, Dagger Module that I built to generate unit tests for SvelteKit projects using AI. So I'm going to create unit tests for this particular project. As you can see, the test folder is currently empty. There's no unit tests in this project. And I'm going to run the Dagger module locally. When I run the module, I'm going to export the output of the module. It's going to be saved to this particular to my host in this particular folder. I'll then copy and paste it to the correct point and then run my tests using another module that I built. So let's cd into should be create svelte tests, and then let's run the module to generate our unit tests for this module for this project. I set up my Dagger Cloud to monitor what's happening, what's running locally. So let's look at that. So to be honest, there's a lot of things that I see happening on Dagger Cloud. It's very hard to actually keep track of what I'm actually concerned about. But I'm gonna run you through the flow of what's happening in my module just from here. So the first thing is I'm going to generate, obviously I'm going to check whether or not the folders and the files that we're looking for actually exist. If they don't, return the appropriate error messages based on that. In the structure of the project, help you find the particular file you want to write tests for. After that, I generate suggestions for unit tests using best practices. So the process continues until determines that the suggestions generated AI determines the suggestions generated are adequate enough to follow best practices. From there, generate actual code from suggestions. Then I ensure that all type annotations have been added to the code. After that, the output is written to a file named home.test.ts, and then I export the file. That should return true if the file has been exported correctly. And that's the long and short of how the module actually works. Let's go back to the cloud and see what's happening here. Okay. Let's go back to terminal. Just trying to figure out what's currently happening. So I'm guessing it's this step concurrently. So yeah. Okay, so that's true. So I guess we have the test files created already. Let's see what it looks like. Here it is. Now let's copy and paste this to the relevant project. I'm gonna add that to tests, and then let's go back to the terminal and then run the module to run my tests. So that should be cd run tests, capital T, and then we're gonna call the module locally. And there you go.